Hey guys, I am Parvat. Welcome to the HTML tutorial in which we learn about HTML. HTML introduction. What is HTML? Oh, HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of web pages. HTML consists of series of elements. HTML element tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label piece of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. A simple HTML document. HTML tags. HTML tag are element names surrounded by angle brackets. HTML page structure. Here, HTML versions are given. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.